Greetings auto enthusiasts. Today, we are going to check out the 2024 Lexus TX, which is a 3-row CUV launched with F Sport, hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The TX is a new model that will replace the RXL and will offer more space, more features, and more efficiency than its predecessor. The TX is based on Toyota's GAK platform, which also underpins the Toyota Grand Highlander and other models from Lexus and Toyota. It measures 4.96 meters, 195.3 inches, long, 1.9 meters, 74.8 inches, wide, and 1.73 meters, 68.1 inches, tall, making it slightly larger than the RXL. It has a sleek and modern design that features Lexus' signature spindle grille, LED headlights with L-shaped DRLs, and a coupe-like roofline. The TX also gets a new graphite gray paint option and a black roof for a sporty contrast. Inside, the TX offers a spacious and luxurious cabin that can accommodate up to 8 passengers in 3 rows. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen that runs on Lexus' new Link Connect interface, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior also gets new seat patterns, a redesigned shift lever, and eye-toggles for quick access to various functions. The TX also comes with a range of safety and driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, and blind spot monitoring. Under the hood, the TX offers 3 powertrain options: a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 275 horsepower and 284 lb-ft of torque on the TX350 model, a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 2 electric motors that delivers 362 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque on the TX500h F Sport Performance hybrid model, and a 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor that pumps out 406 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque on the TX550h Plus plug-in hybrid model. The TX350 comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. The TX500h F Sport Performance comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, and the TX550h Plus comes with a continuously variable automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The 2024 Lexus TX is expected to go on sale in late 2023 or early 2024, with prices starting from around $50,000 for the TX350 model and going up to around $70,000 for the TX550h Plus model. It will compete with other 3-row luxury CUVs such as the Acura MDX, the BMW X5, and the Volvo XC90. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more auto news and reviews. See you next time.